Hello beautiful stars, welcome and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time coming across me, hey, hi boo, my name is Somto and it's so cool that you stopped by today. Please do well to stay, okay? You guys, today I went on a hunt. I went hunting and searching for the most beautiful, most intriguing, most fascinating haircuts of all times. These are the best and the trendiest haircuts that you will find on the internet today. In fact, on the internet this year, these ones, they are so beautiful, they're so unique. These black queens, they are just so gorgeous. There is just something so inspiring, something so unique about these women that are choosing to grace our screens with their beautiful short haircuts and hairstyles. These women, they are superb. I just love this so much. I love these haircuts. I love the styles, the color, the vibrancy. I have blonde, black, red, burgundy, you just name them. They're so unique. I'm sure that you are going to love this one. Trust me, you know that I know that people like good things, and me, I have eye for good things. So that is why I choose to bring you the best of the best. And on this channel, we get exactly what we ordered. We are not doing what I ordered versus what I get here. No, in this place, we get exactly what we ordered plus extra, 100% extra. So be sure that these haircuts are going to be so useful to you. But first, I want you to watch this video to the end, because I do not want you to miss out on anything at all, so that you will not come and be saying, so you gave me what I ordered versus what I got. No, just watch it to the end so that you do not miss out on anything at all. All right, and guys, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and please share this video with somebody. Share this video with at least 7 people from your contacts. I'm sure that one of them must find this video very, very useful, and they will have you to thank for it. You guys, I will just stop talking too much. I'll just leave you to enjoy this gorgeousness. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next one.